Did you know that one of America's most horrific serial killers was stopped by his own accomplice? In 1973, Houston, Dean Corll had perfected a deadly system. Known as the Candy Man, he used sweets and cash to lure teenage boys to his home. But Corll wasn't working alone. He had recruited two teenagers, David Brooks and Elmer Wayne Henley, to bring him victims. Corll's house contained a soundproof torture chamber with restraining devices. For 3 years, at least 28 boys disappeared. The operation seemed unstoppable until one night when Henley brought friends over. Corll became enraged and planned to kill them all. But Henley had finally seen enough. He grabbed a gun and shot Corll dead. What happened next shocked investigators. They discovered mass graves across Houston. Even more disturbing was learning that many families never reported their sons missing, assuming they were runaways. This case exposed how vulnerable marginalized youth were and completely changed how police investigate missing children cases. The Candyman's reign of terror had ended, but the scars on Houston remained forever.